Assalamualaikum, I'm Muhammad Rizwan and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about data sending into database from the Blade template. Let's open our terminal and let's go in our project. YouTube project is our project name, and let's run our project. Okay, type here localhost 8000 and login by using credentials, and here you are in dashboard. In the dashboard, as you know, in the previous video we have already designed a table which is a blog table. In the blog table we want to send a post through this page. So first of all we have to design the page to send the data from this page to database. So open your project and go into your resources and views and go into your home page, because here you are at home page. So if you want to design a page here for sending post, so open your home.blade.php. Remove this and create div here and give here the class ID which is main div. Okay, or you can say post div, any name you can give, it's not a problem. And another child div, because I want to create a post sender, so in which I need let me see the attributes of the database. Here is database table, and we need input box for blog title and blog description and for image, and that's a user ID, that who's sending this post. First div class is for post title. Okay, and apply here input text and name post title. Field is required. Okay, placeholder enter post title. Let's refresh our page and see it. Here you can see post title field has been created, and apply here bootstrap class form control. Refresh it. Here you can see bootstrap applied. Change from dashboard to post sender form, and apply another style to align text, or text align center, and change the background color to purple, and colors should be white. Okay, let's see it. Here's a post sender form and post title. Let's copy this div and paste here. This post description. Okay, yeah. Change here from title to description. can change text. Sorry, we have another tag which is text area, and apply here class form control placeholder description of post. Okay, let's see. Here is, but there is no space between those two. I'll create a space by giving a margin, style margin top 10 pixel. Here you can see space has been created. I'll give here the name, which is post description. Here we have done. And another thing which we need, which is image, because if you see a database, then here you can see in a blocks table, block title, block description, and third one is image. Go back and copy and paste and post, change from here post image and change this one, and input type file, name image. Okay, class form control, it's fine. Here you can see the image chooser has been activated, and another div I copy over here and post save, change from input text to button, because we need a button to save all the data into database, and save post, apply class btn success, and it's fine. It's okay for us, but I want to see this button exactly at the right side of this. I'll go in margin and I'll give here float right property. Let's see. Here you can see it's on right side, right? So we have done with this. Our form is ready. Now let's go in backend. Just one more thing you have to do here. All these data you have to wrap in a form. Okay, fine. And come back, paste here form, method post. Okay, good. And now go in your web.php, because here you have to declare your route. For this, I'm declaring a post method. So post upload, and here you have to give the controller name and controller function name. Here you know we have created already a block controller, and give here block controller @ function post, function name post, and give here name post.upload. Right, so you have to copy this name and paste here on the button, you can give here like route, so you have to give here action and route and paste here route upload. Right, let's refresh it. Exactly fine. Let me press this button, asking me to fill the title. WhatsApp feature, nothing special. Anything you can post here. Yeah, you can see here the post upload route has been called. Okay, as the route has been called post upload, so this route would call the blog controller and the post function. So we'll create the post function, public function post, and okay. So you have to give here one parameter, which is request, and request variable it is from your page in simple word. So let's check it. Request and post title and wrap it. It's used to display a value. Okay, let's test it. This is the post title. Actually, this is the name of the post which we gave here. Okay, let's go back, refresh our page. I'm giving here post app feature and press button. Here you can see the one error which is displayed over here every time is 419. This is basically is an error because of field. You have to give here. Let's refresh it and see any error found. Okay, fine. Select this, type this, and press again. Here you can see the data is successfully going there. Anything which you want to post in the database, you have to give this CS cross-site reference attack like this, authentication, and then you can post your all data into database. Okay, it's fine. Let's give here the database path, use app blog. Here we gave the name blog table, so I'll give here blog table. Then come into your function and make object new blog table. Fine, and open the object and type here post title. This should be the attribute which you declared in the database. Let's open the database and open YouTube. Open blog table. Here you can see the blog title, blog description, image. So this name should be the same as you gave in database while declaring the table, right? And then catch the value from the page by the request, post title, object, and post description, which is the second variable. Then one important thing is user ID. The user ID you can get through by auth. By using auth you can get the ID of the currently logged in user. As you can see here, you are logged in by the admin, and any user who is logged in, you can get the ID by the auth. So user auth and then give here user, right? So use this variable and get ID. Okay, fine. Now the rest is image, and give here image having having some different code, and it's a bit 2 or 3 lines of code. I'll not type here, I'll copy from here, and I'll modify this code according to my requirement, and you can type. Okay, I paste here, and now I'll change it according to my requirement. I'll change from here to image, and then image, and getting its extension, and then here is object of the database, and I gave here the name in the database image, and the extension is being saved in the data image variable, right? And again I'm requesting through image and move into public folder, which is images, and then image, and create images folder in public so that you could save your all images in public folder. Create here the folder name. I want to create a new folder. This should be images. Okay, right, we've done this so far, and let's save this object, save, and return back. Let's see it. Hopefully we'll get error, but I'll explain it later that what sort of error we'll get and how to remove that. And here you give description like the WhatsApp new feature of sending once images, anything. Select image over here, and image has been selected, and click on post. Here you can see call to member function, get client original extension on string. It's an error. Let's try to remove it. First of all, you have to give these two paths over here. I'm pasting. First is input, and second is file, right? And second, in the home page you have to change something to upload image into database. Let me copy from here. To add, I'll copy paste here in type multipart / form data, and then I'm going to fetch my page, and refresh it, and let's see, adding information, selecting image, and try to save it. column not found, unknown column, post title in the field list. Okay, fine. We have to see the title spelling. Post title, let me see what's in database. This is blog title and blog description, right? Blog title and blog description. Okay, I'll not change this because I have given the post title in my blade template in HTML, right? I'll not change that. Save it and refresh it. Here you can see the post has been submitted successfully. Let me refresh my blog table. Here you can see the post has been created by the user 1, and let's see where the picture is right now. Open your project, public folder, images. Here you can see the image has been successfully updated, right, and saved in database as well. This is all about how to store the data from the blade to into database. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos.